Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing problem. So let's get started right away. If you open up the WhatsApp application and try to talk with someone, but you don't see any of your contacts within the WhatsApp application contact list, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. Just go ahead and open up the phone settings first in order to fix contact access. Now from the settings menu, tap on apps and then scroll down and search for WhatsApp. Once you find it, you can simply tap on it and then from the settings page, tap on permissions. Now within the permissions page, if you don't see contacts within the allowed section, then it will be underneath not allowed. You can simply tap on it from the not allowed section and then select the first option to allow access for the application. Once you do this, simply go back to the WhatsApp application and see if you can find your contacts now. If you still don't find your contacts, then go back to your phone settings once again, and then from the WhatsApp application settings page, scroll down and tap on storage. Then tap on clear cache first and see if this works. If it still doesn't, then try clearing your data as well by tapping on clear data and then the delete button. Once you do this, you will need to log into your account once again, and when you log in, you will be asked to grant access to your contacts. Once you press the allow button, your contacts will begin to show on WhatsApp. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix contacts not showing problem on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.